The main priority today is the structural integrity around these lift points. Pay close attention to the rust near the porthole.
Moving on the left side. Hitting it now. Watch the runoff by the... On 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Watch your step back there. Ready to lift on 3. Got it. Watch the corner, it's tight here. Okay, easy now, lift it slow. Watch the port side. Clear, bring it down onto the dolly. To position now.
Here, still seeing some low spots.
Noted. Starboard side looks good though.
We need another pass before the client arrives.
Radius on that main loom.
Secured the clamps up to the bulkhead.
Junction box is ready for termination.
All right, easy now. Watch the port side.
Got it. Coming down steady.
Clearance looks good on the mounts.
Got the supply line secured.
Clamps are looking good, evenly spaced.
Strainer is seated.
Hold
Clamps are torqued to spec. On the port side.
Confirmed. Hitting the forward mount now.
All harnesses are seated correctly. Tight. Got the roller here. Trim is secure.
Live now.
Wiping down the last gauge here. Looks pristine.
Everything in the engine room is strapped down tight.